Hey everyone, and welcome back. Are you traveling to an English-speaking country soon, or maybe just want to feel more confident ordering at your local cafe? Today, we're going to learn some super fast and easy phrases to order food and drinks like a native speaker. No complicated grammar, just simple, effective sentences you can use right away. Let's get started. First up, getting someone's attention. If you're at a counter, a simple hi or hello with a smile works perfectly. If you're at a table, you can say, "Excuse me." It's polite and will get the server's attention. Now, for the most important part, ordering. The easiest way is to use "Can I get?" followed by what you want. For example, "Can I get a cheeseburger and a Coke?" Or "Can I get the chicken salad?" You can also use "I'll have ... double quotes, which is just as common. For instance, "I'll have the steak, please." Adding "please" at the end is always a nice touch. What if you're not sure what to order? You can ask for a recommendation. A simple "What do you recommend?" is perfect. Or you can be more specific, like "What's your most popular dish?" People are usually happy to help you choose something great. Sometimes you need to customize your order. You can use "with" or "without." For example, "Can I get a coffee with oat milk?" Or "I'll have the sandwich without onions." If you want extra of something, just say "with extra ... double quotes. Like, "Can I get a pizza with extra cheese?" Easy, right? When you're all finished and ready to pay, you can say, "Can I get the check, please?" Or "We're ready for the bill." Both work perfectly. If you're paying with a card, you can just hold it up and say, "Do you take credit cards?" So, let's do a quick recap. Can I get "I'll have ... What do you recommend? With or without 4 changes? And "Can I get the check?" for when you're done. That's it. With these simple phrases, you'll be ordering food in English with no stress at all. Practice them a few times and you'll feel like a pro. Thanks so much for watching. I hope this was helpful. If you liked this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more tips. Let me know in the comments if you have any questions or what you'd like to learn next. See you in the next video.